Is your Sharp portable air conditioner leaking water from the bottom? This is actually a very common problem that can usually be fixed quickly with some simple troubleshooting steps. Before we start troubleshooting, let's familiarize ourselves with the key components of a portable air conditioner. Understanding these parts will help us identify where leaks commonly occur. The most common cause of leaking is a full drip pan or condensate tank. When this tank overflows, water spills onto the floor. The solution is simple: unplug the unit and drain the water completely. Another frequent issue is a clogged drain line or hose. Dust, debris, or mold can block the drainage system, causing water to back up and leak. To fix this, disconnect the drain hose and clear any blockages. A dirty air filter is another common culprit. When the filter is clogged with dust, it restricts airflow and can cause ice to form on the coils. When this ice melts, it creates excess water that can leak out. Don't forget to check the drain plug at the bottom of your unit. If this plug is loose or not properly sealed, it can cause water to leak out. Simply tighten the drain plug to ensure a proper seal. These simple troubleshooting steps can resolve most common leaks in Sharp portable air conditioners. The best part is that most of these fixes can be completed within just 10 minutes, getting your AC back to working properly. When basic fixes don't resolve persistent leaks, advanced troubleshooting is needed. The first critical factor is ensuring your portable AC sits on a perfectly level surface for proper drainage. Excessive humidity can overwhelm your AC's drainage system, causing leaks even when everything else functions correctly. The solution is switching to dehumidifying mode to reduce moisture load. Drain hose problems are a major cause of persistent leaks. Inspect the hose carefully for kinks, disconnections, or damage that prevents proper water flow. Damaged components like gaskets and seals can cause leaks that basic cleaning won't fix. These rubber parts deteriorate over time and need replacement when worn or cracked. Internal issues like faulty condensate pumps or frozen coils require professional attention. These problems often involve refrigerant levels or complex mechanical components that need specialized tools and expertise. Prevention is the best cure for persistent leaks. Follow a regular maintenance schedule. Clean the entire unit twice yearly, replace filters monthly, and inspect drain components regularly to catch problems early.